If you were to ask me what my favorite type of food is, Italian would certainly be on the top of my list. I mean, how can you go wrong with foods like pasta, hearty casseroles, and pizza? My neighbor recently introduced me to one new favorite called Brujol. It's so good, I'd like to share our version of it with you. It might even become your new Italian favorite. To make it, we start by placing thinly sliced top sirloin steak on a cutting board. Since we want this to be pretty thin, we gently pound it out with a meat mallet. Now for the filling, we combine some Italian breadcrumbs, Romano or Parmesan cheese, some chopped Genoa salami, a couple of eggs, and a bit of black pepper. This gets spread onto each steak and then we roll them up. After securing each one with a toothpick, we saute them in a soup pot in a bit of olive oil until they're evenly browned. Then we add some jarred sauce and let them simmer until they're tender. Brujol sounds like something you'd make at a fancy cooking school in Naples, but the truth is, it's super easy. To get our version of Brujol, which we call Italian Beef Rollups, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an old world way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.